Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something exciting for all you sole travelers out there. An affordable 20-inch waterproof luggage with universal wheels that rotate 360 degrees. Perfect for my upcoming trip to Taiwan. By the way, if you're interested in checking this out, I've dropped the shop link in the video description below. Let's get this beauty out of the box. Wow, just look at this. It's a sleek, classy gray color. It might be affordable, but it definitely doesn't look cheap. This will make a great hand carry for solo travelers like me. Now, let's take a look inside. Plenty of space for a short trip. The material feels durable and the waterproof feature gives you the extra peace of mind, especially when you're on the go. These are the universal wheels I was talking about. They rotate a full 360 degrees, making it super easy to maneuver even in tight spaces. The material is tough, water resistant, which is perfect for all weather travel. And despite being affordable, it really feels like a premium product. The zippers are smooth, the handle is sturdy, and overall it feels like it can handle some serious travel miles. So there you have it, a stylish, affordable, and super handy 20-inch waterproof luggage that's perfect for solo travelers. Whether you're headed on a weekend getaway or a longer trip, this suitcase has you covered. If you're looking for something that won't break the bank but still offers great quality, I highly recommend it. Check out the link in the video description if you want to grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unboxing videos.